Hi, I'm Scott Flowers with Cloud Ninjas. Today we're here to continue our series on the Supermicro 8-node Ryzen Microcloud. In this video we're going to specifically focus on supported operating systems. Let's get going. Well, hey, thanks for stopping by today to learn a little bit more about the Supermicro Ryzen 8-node Microcloud. Do us a favor, if you find anything that helps you in this video, click that like and smash that subscribe. All right, we'll top in. This video, what we're going to do is going to be specifically dedicated to supported operating systems. So what we will do in the beginning, we'll start with putting up a list of the compatible supported operating systems. Then we're going to kind of hone down and focus on Windows Server, and we're going to show you how to download Windows Server. Then we're going to show you how to create a bootable USB, how to put your Windows Server on your bootable USB, and then how to do step-by-step instructions on installing it into your server. So let's just hop into all the good stuff. So what are the supported operating systems? Well, the Windows Server is always, a popular one, but for these, 90% of people are using Linux, and it's specifically Ubuntu. So here's all the options. We've listed them up here, but again, most people are using the latest and greatest for Ubuntu, which is 22, or the 24 I think actually just came out. So.
Hey, this is Mason with Cloud Ninjas, and today I'll be showing you guys how to install Windows Server 2025 onto your Supermicro AS-3015MR-H8TNR Microcloud server. All you'll need is a server with enough storage space, a USB, and a laptop or desktop. First, you'll want to go to this website link here and download the English 64-bit edition for Windows Server 2025. You will need this ISO file for the next step. So now we'll go ahead and show you how to create a bootable USB using a program called Rufus. Just go into your browser and search Rufus. Go ahead and download the program and run it once it's done downloading. Plug in the USB you are planning to use, and under Device, select the USB that you plugged in. If you only have one USB plugged in, it will select it by default. Leave everything under default settings, then click the select button and choose the ISO file that you downloaded in the previous steps. Click Start to begin creating the Windows Server 2025 installation USB drive. Alright, so now we will install Windows Server 2025 onto our Supermicro AS-3015MR-H8TNR Microcloud server. So go ahead and plug in that USB into your server and boot your server up. During the post, press the delete key to enter setup. Once in setup, use the arrow keys to navigate over to save and exit, and scroll down to the USB device that you plugged in, and then press enter to select it. This will boot straight into the Windows Server 2025 installation. The first window will ask what language to install in and the time and currency format. We will select English United States for both and click Next. Now we see a screen that allows you to choose a keyboard or input method. We want US, so we will leave it as it is and click Next. Now we'll make sure that Install Windows Server is selected, and then click the box that says I agree everything will be deleted, including files, apps, and settings. And then go ahead and click Next. Once the window is done downloading, you can select the image you want to install, and we will go ahead and select Standard Evaluation Desktop Experience. Once you click Next, another window will show you the applicable notices and license terms. Go ahead and read through it and click Accept. Next, we will select where we want this OS to download to. We will select Disk 0 that has 148.5 gigabytes of free space. Go ahead and click Next. Now we are ready to install, and all we have to do is just click Install to begin the Windows Server 2025 installation. Congrats, you've installed the Windows Server 2025 OS locally into your Supermicro AS-3015MR-H8TNR Microcloud server.
Hey, do us a favor, click that like button and smash subscribe. And if you're looking for any custom-built Supermicro, Gigabyte, Asus, ASRock, Dell, HPE, we do it all. We have both new and refurbished. So please give us a call or email us at sales@cloudninjas.com. That's sales@cloudninjas.com. Anyways guys, thanks for stopping by.